The Proud Parrot. Story. Once there lived a parrot in a big tree. He was proud of his beautiful green wings and red beak. One day he saw a crow. He thought how ugly the crow's wings are. He said to the crow that his wings are black and ugly. The crow replied that they are ugly, that helps him to fly to larger distance. The parrot moved little more closer to the crow, spread his wings, and showed how beautiful he is. Just then, a man arrived there with a cage and caught the beautiful parrot and left the place. Moral: don't be proud of something that you have.